Yo, what is up, YouTube? Today we're back with some more Toss the Turtle. Guys, it's really fun. I highly recommend it if you guys want to play it. Okay, it's super fun. Basically, you shoot this turtle out of a cannon, and you have to get it a farther distance. So, let's see if we can get this video to 2 likes. Okay, 2 likes is a big number. But anyways, so if you have not subscribed, you should subscribe because we do a video or 2 every day. Okay, so anyways, so let's get on into the video. So today we're gonna be seeing if we can get past 100. Right now I got to already 100. That's cool. So I got 120. Now we're going to see if we can get to 200. So anyways, let's go on. Nope. It's close but didn't get it. So I got 62 millimeters, yeah. So anyways, so this game is really fun. Highly recommend it if you do not have it again. Okay, guys? So we're going for 200 and not likes though. I'm trying to get to 5 likes on this video. Two or 5. Comment down below how much you think I can get to. Sorry about this ad, guys. So, anyways, I do not have this game, but it looks pretty fun, but I don't have it. So, if you guys can comment down below what game I should play next time, and I will play that game no matter what. Got to 101. Hey guys, that's pretty good. It's not that good, but it's pretty good. We need 200 more than that. My farthest is 407. I don't think I've ever played on this map before, but anyways, so right now it is looking pretty dark for us because it looks really hard to play this game. For 1 sec, I'll be right back. Anyways, guys. Oh, sorry about that. Well, anyways. So I'm letting my dogs in right now. Come on, Lucky. Come here, Tiger. What's up, buddy? What's up, little Augie? Anyways, just had to let them in real quick. Oh, that was terrible. Okay, we're going again. So, ink. That one was pretty good. I got 101. That's a pretty rare number. 3 ones. It's pretty good. That was pretty good. Ooh, we got 200, guys. We got 224, guys. That is really good. So I think I have a trick now. So before, see, you have a slingshot and a quarter, and it has those 3 balls you can shoot. You have to tap those. 1, 2, 3. You can't tap them all at once, or you don't go as far. Will I get more than 203? I mean 223? Did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? I got daily best. So today the best person on this game got 315 and I got 315. Gosh, so close to beating the record. That one wasn't that good, but I still got pretty far. Anyways, so I'm getting some shells real quick. Mind this ad real quick. Sorry about that. I don't know, that one wasn't that good. That's fine though, because we beat our goal. See if we can beat it again. We got 138. That ain't that good, but anyways, if you have not subscribed to my buddy, his name is Zay's Productions, you need to subscribe to him. In my other video I talked about him. He was my cameraman on trampoline trick shots. Guys need to go subscribe to him. So anyways, so this is pretty hard game. You have to do it at the right time. Right there. That one was good. Bing. Boom. 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 What do I do? Oh. Boing, boing, boing. This one's looking pretty far. We hit 200, we've hit 200. Have we hit 300? We have hit this guy who shoots us up more. 315, we got it. Guys, we got it. We got it. 332. That is insane. Here, after this one, I'm going to go in the shop and see what I can get. block. So anyways, you can go look at the cannons, equipped. So these are all the cannons. Should we get this one? Yay, we bought that. So now for guns, you can get this, or and stuff. Yeah, so in the gun, we'll buy the gun, and then we have, okay, so it should be good. So now the stuff that we have, so now we have a really good slingshot that looks way harder. Oh, then this one shoots 4. That's way better. Well, anyways, I think that's gonna have to end today's video. See you next time. Goodbye.